in this video we will see how an employee can apply for his loans using the employee self-services. When the employee logs in, this is the first screen that he will see with a couple of dashboards, for example some alerts, message board, expiry alerts, salary details and so on. And to the left you will see a couple of tabs which are segregated by module. For example, you have appraisal, leaves, loans, payroll, recruitment, training and HR forms. Now all of these tabs are based on what level of authority do you have to view them. So if an employee, say a junior level employee, does not have an authority to view the payslip, he will not see this option out here. Let's have a look at how we can apply for a loan. Go into loans. When the employee logs in, he needs to go into loans, loan application. His existing loan applications can be viewed over here and its status as well. To create a new application, click on new. Enter the employee name, the type of loan that you would like to apply, and the loan amount. By when does this employee need the loan? That date is to be mentioned over here. You can either sort your EMI preferences via tenure, EMI, or no preference. When you select tenure, this is where you have to fill in the tenure and the rest of it is calculated, rest of the fields are calculated automatically. So say I want to pay it off over a period of 12 months. Then you see my EMI amount is calculated automatically. If your organization demands for adding a guarantor over here, you can mention the guarantor as well. After all the details have been added, click on save. And when the employee goes back into the loan application summary screen, here he will see his new entry, which is currently in the status pending, which means the higher level manager or HR needs to approve his loan. Only then the loan can be granted to this particular employee. Now when the manager logs on to his employee self-services, manager self-services to check what all his approvals are pending, he can either see the notification over here, or he can also view them directly over here in this section. So if he has some leave applications pending, he can view them here, loan applications and the rest of it similarly. So under loan you see an entry over here, which means Hussein's document number, which is 8, needs to be reviewed and either approved or rejected, or you can even delete the entry. Now when the manager checks all of these details and he thinks okay, everything is correct, then he will click on approve, enter his remarks and add them, and this document is now approved. Here it says a remark which says saved successfully, which means this loan amount has been approved. We will now go back to the employee screen, Hussein's screen, to see if he is able to view this application as approved. So I'm now into the employee screen. I will go into my loan application, and in the summary, if I see this particular entry has been turned into approved from pending status, when I click on edit, this mark also says that it's approved. So this is how an employee can apply for a loan via employee self-services.